recycling plant. Welcome to our battery recycling plant. First, let us Welcome to the lead recycling plant. Each battery consists of several lead plates, terminals, separators, etc. The batteries are placed vertically on the conveyor belt to be transferred to the battery cutting unit. The top cutting operation is carried out by two high-speed rotary cutters. After the batteries are cut, the lead is extracted from the plastic shells. The shells are then sent to the plastic recycling section and the mixed lead to the lead section. The terminals are hand-picked and kept separately. The lead plates and lead powder mixture pass through a rotary-cum-vibratory sieve which separates the lead powder from the lead plates. At the end of this process, only the plastic grid will be left behind. This will be sent to the plastic line to be processed along with the plastic container. The lead powder is charged into the reverberatory furnace as alternate layers along with charcoal. Charcoal acts as a fuel as well as a reducing agent. After reduction, the liquid metal and slag is tapped through the tapping hole. The slag is skimmed off, removed, and the liquid lead is cast into molds. The slag obtained from the reverberatory furnace is further treated in the rotary furnace to recover the residual lead. Once melted, liquid lead is poured into cast iron molds. The refining process is carried out with the help of chemicals. The purified lead is cast through a pouring valve. In the event of making the alloy, the necessary additives are added to the molten lead in the alloying kettle. Each for the reverberatory furnace, rotary furnace and the alloying and refining kettles. Each APC consists of a dust collector, a spark arrestor, a cyclone, a baghouse and a chimney. The smoke from the furnace first passes through the dust collector where the dust particles separate and accumulate. The spark arrestor ensures no sparks escape and avoids any unforeseen damages to the bags in the baghouse. The smoke is then further cleansed when it goes through the cyclone and the baghouse. The fuel gases finally emitted from the stack are cleansed enough to conform to environmental norms. Welcome to the plastic recycling plant. The plastic battery containers or shells are placed on a conveyor belt which transfers the shells to the grinder. Here, the shells are ground into small pieces called chips. The plastic chips are rinsed in a tank twice or thrice to free it of any residual lead content. The chips are then sent for a hot wash via a spiral conveyor. Hot water with caustic soda and acids cleans the chips and ensures that they are free from battery content and particles. After the hot wash, the chips are transferred to a high-speed scrubber with the help of a spiral conveyor. Here, they are cleaned again to remove the remnants of the caustic soda and acids. From the scrubber, the chips are transferred to a centrifugal dewatering system to remove any moisture, and then transferred to a drum mixer where reagents like whiteners, softening agents and dispersion agents are added and mixed with the chips. The chips are now moved to an extruder where plastic extrusion takes place. The extruded plastic pieces are water quenched and cooled, and then sent through a gale dryer for dewatering and drying. Finally, the extruded plastic is passed through a granulator to be made into tiny granules. The granules are then weighed, packed and sealed as per the requirements.